Today's topic for discussion is viruses that causes human diseases. The viruses bring about a number of diseases in human beings as well as in animals. The human being or animal viruses have either DNA or RNA as the genetic material. DNA is mostly double stranded while RNA is either single stranded or double stranded. Let us discuss the different types of viruses which causes serious diseases in human beings. Influenza virus. The pathogen is a helical virus containing ssRNA and it is enveloped. The envelope of virus contains a series of projections. The virus causes disease of upper respiratory tract. There are three types of influenza viruses: type A, type B and type C. The influenza type A and B causes epidemics while type C occurs sporadically. Each type is characterized by its antigenic variation in which changes occur in the protein of the capsid. As a result, innumerable variations are produced which are unrecognizable by the antibodies produced during the previous influenza infection. The nomenclature of influenza virus is therefore based on changing antigenic pattern. Viral infection causes sudden chills, fatigue, headache and pain. These are the main symptoms of influenza virus infection. Fever of the up to 103 to 104 is very common. Influenza A is treatment is available for this. Next slide. Adenovirus. This also causes human diseases. There are a group of about 35 icosahedral particles having dsDNA as genetic material. The viral particle is about 60 to 90 nm in diameter, having a dense central core and a capsid of the virus, that is protein coat of the virus, consists of 252 capsomeres. Okay. The virus owe their name to the adenoid cells from which they were firstly isolated. They multiply in the nuclei of the host cells. Okay. Adenoviruses cause diseases in respiratory tract, diseases of eye, etc. Adenovirus 8 is the main agent of keratoconjunctivitis, inflammation of the eye. It is one of the disease of eye. Okay. Next slide. Rhinoviruses. These represent a collection of about 100 icosahedral RNA viruses. These are commonly called as rhinonos. These are involved in respiratory infections causing headache, sneezing, blocked nostrils. These are the symptoms of infection by rhinoviruses. Common cold is caused by about 15 to 29 types of rhinoviruses. Okay. Next slide. Chickenpox virus. It is one of the very common disease. The pathogen is a icosahedral virus having dsDNA as the genetic material. The capsid, it is a coat of the protein coat of the virus. The capsid is made up of 162 capsomeres. Capsomer, it is a single unit of the capsid. Okay. Chickenpox virus belongs to herpes virus group. In adults, the same virus causes herpes. Herpes, it is a painful disease where the spinal cord is affected with red patches on the skin. Next slide. This is measles virus. This is a common pathogen among children. causing a communicable respiratory disease. Photograph is given. The symptoms of which develop on the skin. The pathogen is also called as rubella, meaning red colored. Owing to the appearance of red rashes on the skin, it causes red colored spot on the skin. Rubella is a helical that consists of ssRNA and an envelope in addition to the capsid. An effective vaccine is available in the market against this disease. Next, mumps virus. This is a disease in children mainly affecting the parotid glands, hence the technical name epidemic parotitis for the disease. There is a swelling visible on either side of the cheek. The virus has ssRNA as a genetic material and is helical, having an envelope in addition to capsid. This is similar to measles virus except that there are no there is no envelope. The vaccine is available in the market. Photograph is given. Next, the dengue fever virus. 4 different kinds of viruses cause dengue fever. The pathogen basically are icosahedrally symmetrical with an envelope. It consists of genetic material RNA. Viruses are transmitted to human beings through mosquito bite. Dengue fever is a serious disease and commonly occur in the human race. Next slide, rabies virus. The rabies virus not only causes disease to dogs but to human beings also, with a high rate of mortality if not treated properly. Besides dog, rabies virus also occurs in cat, horses, rat, etc. The rabies virus has RNA as the genetic material and is enveloped. It is rounded at one end and flattened at the other to give the appearance of a bullet. The virus gains entry into the human tissue through wounds or infected areas caused due to any mechanical agency. Though the disease is mainly transmitted through saliva, urine, lymph, or even milk may be equally effective. The virus, after gaining entry, spread rapidly through the natural pathway. Disease symptoms include aggressive behavior, difficulty in swallowing, excessive salivation, dislike for water, that is hydrophobia. These are the different symptoms. Okay. Next, smallpox virus. This virus is commonly called as variola virus. It has been eradicated the world over. It occurs throughout the world. It is a cosmopolitan. The virus causing the dreadful disease has a complex architecture. It is brick shaped and is about 270 nm in size. It has no envelope but the capsid is surrounded by a series of fibers. Okay. Early symptoms of the disease are chill, fever and fatigue. Pink red colored spots appear after fall in temperature on the scalp, forehead and all parts of the body. The spots turn into fluid filled vesicles and then into pustules. By preventive vaccination, the disease has been completely cured. Treatment is available. Next slide. The polio virus. It is one of the smallest virus among all viruses. The polio virus has a diameter of 27 to 30 nm. It has an icosahedral capsid with a ssRNA as genetic material. The multiplication of virus is phenomenal. Within a 6-hour cycle, it produces as many as 10,000 new viral particles. The virus, after gaining entry through the contaminated food or water, multiplies in the tonsils and the lymphoid tissue. After entering the bloodstream, the virus localizes in the gray matter of the spinal cord. 3 types of polio are known to exist, and this is one of the serious disease, and vaccine is available against this disease. Next, another viral disease, that is AIDS, acquired immunity syndrome. This is caused by virus. AIDS is caused by virus belonging to retrovirus group. It has been given the name HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. In this disease, the viruses attack the lymphocytes T4 and destroy them. Lymphocytes are necessary to provide immunity after any disease. Whenever our body gets any kind of infection, lymphocytes are produced in large numbers and they kill in the infecting microbes. With the destruction of the lymphocytes, the entire defense mechanism, that is immunity, is disturbed and the body will not be able to combat even ordinary infections. While AIDS does not kill the individual directly, it renders the body weak and susceptible to all types of infections. The first few AIDS cases were recorded in 1981 in Atlanta, USA. Since then, it has spread to all countries including India. These are the notes about the viral diseases of human beings. Be clean, be safe.